Hello class, this is Rashid Khan from Lakshmi Prasad Memorial Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Class, today we will discuss about chapter number 1, that is food, where does it come from? What it is? It is the chapter number 1, food, where does it come from? What does it mean? What is the different sources of a food? Or we can say how we can get food and from where we can get food. What is the main sources of a food? So before going to the sources or where does it come from, we will discuss how it is, what is the food. We will discuss first what is mean of food. Food is what actually? It is the basic requirement of all living body. What it is? It is a material that gives us energy. It is the material that very important for all living beings. It is the material that can survive more human beings as well as all living beings. We can say it is a most important for different processes or different life activities. It is the important, why? Because all living beings perform different activities. So there will be the need of food, and this food provides us fuel. That is in the form of energy to perform different activities for playing, running, walking, or to performing the different activities. So we can say that food is the material, or it is the most important material for surviving of all living beings. Food है क्या? Food एक ऐसा मटेरियल है जिसकी वजह से बहुत सारे लिविंग बीइंग इस अर्थ पे सर्वाइव कर सकते हैं, और बिना फूड के कोई भी फूड मटेरियल के बिना सर्वाइव नहीं करेगा. बहुत सारे डिफरेंट लाइफ एक्टिविटीज़ हैं, बिना फूड के वो फंक्शन नहीं करेगा. सपोज करिए डिफरेंट टाइप के प्लेइंग है, वॉकिंग है, रनिंग है, या बहुत सारे डेली एक्टिविटीज़ है, उसको परफॉर्म करने के लिए हमारे पास एनर्जी की रिक्वायरमेंट है. सो एनर्जी इज मोस्ट रिक्वायरमेंट फॉर परफॉर्मिंग डिफरेंट एक्टिविटीज़, and this energy is come from the sources of food, right? So we can say that all living beings require food. All living organism can depend to the food for different activities. It is act as a fuel in the form of energy. It can also be required for the growth, repairs, and as well as for the development of the body. Food is also protect us from the several diseases, or it can be protects or repairs worn out diseases as well. So it is a most important part that can provide us energy. So what are the different form of a food or different varieties of a food? The food may be of two types, the two varieties they have. First one is raw and next one is cooked. So we can say that the raw food material and the cooked food material. The raw food material, suppose if there is a carrot, radish, onion, all these things, these are in the form of raw materials. And cooked food is what actually? Suppose if there is a kheer or lassi, or might be the vegetables, the cooked food, cooked vegetables. So there is the different type of ingredients in them in case of a cooked food, but in case of a raw material there is a one single type of a food. There is no different type of ingredients. Why? Because suppose in case of a kheer, there is a number of materials like sugar, rice, spices, water. Different means are the different material that make it possible. What? These are the different things. There is another way: the milk, sugar, rice, some of the spices. So these are the different ingredients found in case of a cooked food. But in case of some of the dry fruits as well. Dry fruits. So it is all the necessary ingredient for cooking the kheer as well. So we can say it is a different form in which the cooked food exists. It is the ingredients, and here is the raw material. As we know that apple, banana, radish, carrot, different type of a material in the form of a raw food, and it is a cooked food. So there is a different the different form of a material. It is the varieties. It is what actually? It is the varieties. It is what actually? The varieties of food. Now we'll have to move on. The next one, that is the food habits of the people. What are the different food habits of the people? कौन कौन से लोग हैं जिनका सबका फूड हैबिट अलग अलग है? Food habits of people. So in the different regions of India, there is a number of people survive, and with a different tradition, food habits in our country. There are the numerous type of food varieties, the food habitat is considered. Why? Because we can say that in case of Tamil Nadu, the people have the food material in the form of Tamil Nadu. In case the Tamil Nadu, they will eat what actually? There are other different form of a people that can eat the different form of a food or different food materials. Like in case of Tamil Nadu, they mostly eat rice, and the most of the product made by the rice can also be used. सपोज करिए तमिलनाडु में वो चीज़ें ज़्यादा यूज़ की जाती है जो राइस है या राइस से बनी हुई हैं. जैसे आप सांभर मान लीजिए, इडली मान लीजिए, डोसा मान लीजिए, ये सभी क्या है? सांभर, इडली, डोसा, मोस्टली ये चीज़ें किससे बनी हुई हैं? राइस से बनी हुई है. तो ये लोग ज़्यादातर सांभर, इडली, डोसा का ही यूज़ करते हैं. एंड एज वेल एज द कोकोनट टू, इसके अलावा कोकोनट का भी यूज़ करते हैं. नेक्स्ट है फूड फ्रॉम द तमिलनाडु. नेक्स्ट इज इन केस ऑफ पंजाब. We know that the famous line मक्के दी रोटी एंड सरसों दा साग, ये एक फेमस कहावत है, क्योंकि वहाँ पे ज़्यादातर लोग यूज़ किसका करते हैं? पराठे का, पराठा, मोस्टली घी का, एंड एज वेल एज pulses, rice, So these are the main food. Chapatis. These are the main food of the Punjab region. So Punjab regions have a most important part, that is makke di roti. Makke di roti and sarson da saag. It is the most important part of a Punjab. The people of a Punjab mostly eat these such type of a food material. So here we have to move on to the next one, that is in case of a Rajasthan. The Rajasthan, you know that there is a special thali which is called as a Rajasthani thali. So in thal there is a number of varieties of a food. In case of a people of a Rajasthan like to have they have eating habits about what? The kachori. Kachori is the most important part of the food habit of the Rajasthan. Like bajra, bajra, kachori, rabdi, chapati, rabdi. It is the important food material. Dalia as well. So these are the different form of food material that can be eaten by the Rajasthan. Kachori is the famous food for the Rajasthan. So it is the main food for the Rajasthan region. And to the next, Gujarat. In case of Gujarat, the people of Gujarat having a eating habit, mostly eat chapati, rice, dhokla, thepta, different form of thepla, not ta, thepla, dhokla, khandwa. These are the different form of Gujaratis.